name is Rosa and I participated in Ostrenko's brothers' workshops. It was an incredible experience, a very open group that we had in these days. Everyone very comfortable and open to share and try new things without egos, without this bad environment of competition or whatever. It was a very open space, safe space to explore and create. Also, due to Ostrenko's brothers' approach, they give this space for the participants to feel open and safe to experience and try new things with our bodies and with others' bodies. Also, this biomechanic approach was very interesting to learn about, since it was a new thing for me. This mechanic way of moving the body with anticipation, this pendulum also idea of how we anticipate movement and go with the movement. Also, this approach that Sergey introduced to us on how to deal with texts that we have to say, monologues specifically, on how to make these monologues more active when we are speaking, when we are saying them. It was a very rich experience, very good, direct, straight to the point work, and very effective. So it was a very good balance of this discipline and concrete exercises.